Okay, today we'll study Shape Builder tool, the most used tool in Adobe Illustrator. So whenever you want to do a construction, like you want to make constructive objects, then we use this. It's also called Shape Construction tool because we construct many shapes from this tool. All right, Shape Builder tool is here. All right, Shape Builder tool is used to build shapes from the shapes. So you have to create shapes first of all, and it will not work on only one shape, right? So you have to create one shape, all right, and you should have another shape as well, right? For example, I would have this another shape like this. Now I have created two shapes. Okay, the first rule for to use Shape Builder tool, you must select all the shapes together. If the shapes are selected, then you will take a Shape Builder tool. Right from here. Now if you will take Shape Builder tool, now just move your cursor so it will highlight enclosed boundary area. If the area is closed, it will highlight. So what I can do with this highlighted area, first the function, the most important function of there are three functions of Shape Builder tool. All right, so first function is extraction. All right, build a new shape from this highlighted area. If you want to build a new shape, now you can see we have only two shapes, right? We have drawn two shapes. Now we will create three shapes from this. So if you just click once, so it will create a new shape from this highlighted area. If you click this one, now it's new shape created. When you click, and this shape also been created. Take selection tool, now just move it, all right? Now you will see you have created three shapes. Look, all right, like this. All right, three shapes has been created. So first function is extraction or building a new shape. All right, I will do undo again. All right, like this. Now you can see I have two shapes. Okay, this time I will fill color also, so that let's see what will happen. So if you select this both and then again take a Shape Builder tool, and now you see it's highlighting. And if you just focus, you will see there is tiny plus sign with the cursor. Plus sign, all right, means it's going to add this shape. Okay, it's going to construct and add this highlighted area. So click once, and click once. Now this three shape has been created. So what color they have adopted? The color of the top object. All right, now you can just click outside and just move. Then you will see you have created three shapes. All right, three shapes, all right, like this. So first function of Shape Builder is shape extraction, right, building a new shape. All right, so second function of Shape Builder tool is deletion. All right, if you want to delete that highlighted area, all right, just hold Alt key from the keyboard. All right, now you see the plus sign along with the cursor will change into minus sign, tiny minus sign. All right, when you click, now you will see you have deleted that highlighted area. Even click here, you have deleted that highlighted area. All right, so it's very useful. For example, we can create many shapes. For example, I will take this one, just take this curvature tool and just make like curves like this. Make sure they have only outline, not filled. Now select both, then take this one, Shape Builder, and Alt click to delete that area. Look here, and Alt delete. All right, if you want to build a new shape, you can build also. Just click once, then Alt drag, all right. Then you have two shapes like this, and you can fill separate color. In many designs you have seen like this. All right, so many designs, many logos we can create. Okay, so third most important function of Shape Builder tool is merging. All right, you can merge shape and you can make a one shape. So I will take this Shape Builder tool. Now this time you will click, hold and drag like this. Okay, click, hold and drag. Now if you observe, so it will show you one boundary, like this red boundary around this. Okay, means you are going to merge this shape into one like this.
It's become one shape.
Yeah, it's become one shape. All right, so same again like this, so it will one shape. All right, many people are using to create many shapes with this. For example, I have line, some like tricks are available on YouTube. They are using like to create many things with shape builder. Like I have this one. All right. Again, I will take one line, then take selection tool, alt and drag, copy, then control D for repeat. All right. Then what you can do, you can take a shape builder tool. You can change first color, the color which you want to fill. All right. Then take shape builder. All right. First, the rule is you need to select all the shapes. All right. Then change color. Take this one and shape builder and change color like this. Now just hold and drag. Right. For example, look like this. So you can create a separate shape. If you want to write your name, all right, or something, you can just continue to create an object like this. All right. So if you want to create an object like this, okay. So now if you will move it, you will say you have created this shape. All right, like this. Look. Okay. So it's a very handy tool. Okay, you can create many shapes with the help of this. Okay, let's create something. So I will create many things with this tool and you will be amazed. So I will create first of all one circle. Then I will copy it, alt and drag. Okay, then alt and drag to copy. Okay, and alt and drag as well. So now you can see I have 5 circles. So I will just unfill them, only outlines. So I will copy again, okay, like this. So because I am going to create many shapes. First of all, I will select all the circles. Then I will take shape builder. This time I will click, hold and drag like this. Click, hold and drag. Okay. So all circles has been merged and you have one shape. Alright. Now you can fill color inside. Now if you want to create a hole, so you have to make another circle inside. Alright. So you can align them together. Select. And from here center and center, then select both, shape builder. This time I want to delete this, alt click to delete like this. All right. Okay. So next we have which is next we will create another thing. So select this one again, go shape builder. This time I will delete the circle, alt click, alt click, alt click like this. All right. Now so you have to click once. Click once, click once, click once and click once to extract, because we want to fill any, you want alt and drag to, you can delete this outer shape as well, alt and drag like this. Now we have 2 shapes, so you can fill color in this like this and like this, okay, and here you have this color and this one as well. Look. And you can take, for example, like this and just fill a black color. Change its order, send to back. Look. All right, maybe you have seen this outside. All right, it's a brand, right? So if you will, for example, all right, so this logo we have just created. You can create many logos with this. All right, look. All right, so this is how you can create this shape. Okay. Now, for example, if you want to use text, then how we can use? For example, if you want to make a Facebook logo, right? Then, for example, you have like this, and you will fill color inside. Then just use F, for example, here. Let me tell you one thing. Shape builder, because it's a name shape builder, it will work only on shapes, not on text. So you have to, if you will try this, take this one and click, so it will not work. It will not. All right. Then you need to change the text into shapes. All right. Then you will right click and from here you will choose convert to outlines. All right. So here we have create outlines, shift control O. Now it's become a shape. Now select this both and take here and just delete like this. Okay. Alt click to delete it. Now you can change color of the text as well. Alright, so it's very handy. Same if you want to make a Chrome logo, right? So a lot of option you will do with the accurate measurement. Alright, for example, now I will just create it. So we have, for example, one circle, alright, and you will create one more circle inside, alright, with shift and just I will change color and just color to this. Alright, so select both and center and center. Alright, so this color is, for example, cyan. Alright, now here, and I will give it outline from here. Go to here and just give white outline. Alright, now what you want? You want like Chrome logo. So you can use a lines as well. Alright, so for example, I have line. So you will do with accurate measurement. I am just going to show you. Alright, like this line I have here, and then I have one line. So from here, alright, so that's how we can work with the lines, okay, like this. Make sure lines is crossing the object. So you will do with accuracy, alright, accuracy. So for example, like this, okay. So how it will work? So take shape builder tool. Now just click. Now it's covering the whole object. Maybe we have some open space. So make sure you have selected this one. Now select all and just take shape builder. Yes, just click, 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 and just alt and drag, alt drag, and alt drag. Right? Then you want to fill color. In this, you will fill, for example, red color, and this one you have yellow color, and this one green. Okay. But yes, I'm just telling you how you can use shape builder tool. All right, to create a lot of objects and logos. All right, same if you want to create a ring inside ring. You want to create a Olympics logo, then how you will create? So I will create one circle. I will create one more copy. So go to edit, copy, then edit, paste in front. It will give you one more circle in front of it. Then just resize it, hold alt and shift. Alright, and just decrease size. Now you have two circles. So take shape builder and alt click to delete. Now you have a ring. Alright, there are a lot of other ways to make this one, but we have this one. Okay, so what I want to do, so I will make one. What I want to do, I want to make a ring inside ring. So now if you select both, let's take shape builder, and now just click and drag like this. Alright, now just change the color. So you can make the Audi logo, alright, like this. You can make Olympics logo. Now you can see the ring inside ring. Alright, so many logos you have to draw, alright, you have to create, okay, by using this shape builder tool. Okay.